I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Granite Bay. Today is January 24th, and this is your Wednesday Bulletin. I'm Sydney Page.
And I'm Malia Zabalas. We've got a lot to cover today, so let's get started.
Are you interested in photography, storytelling, and design? Well, sign-ups for next year's yearbook class are now open. Join for the fall or stay for the whole year. For more information, see Mrs. Cranmer in room 510 or 514.
What do you see in your GBHS future? We see you challenging yourself, growing in new and amazing ways that help you to create the life you imagine. Come find out how at the IBAP Information Night tonight at 6 p.m. in the theater. Meet teachers, ask questions, talk to parents, hear from students, learn about course choices, and find out about the registration process and discover benefits of AP and IB.
If you are a current junior who took the PSAT on October 25th, 2017, you are eligible for a free SAT test on March 21st here at GBHS. Also, if you are a current sophomore who took the PSAT on October 25th, you are eligible for a free PSAT test on April 19th here at GBHS.
Sign-ups for tests are due to student services today. No late sign-ups will be accepted, and any no-shows on test dates will be fined for the cost of the test.
Now, let's hand it over to student government to see what they have to say about some upcoming events.
Hey guys, it's your ASB President, Alyssa Sewell, and I'm here to give you some updates on what's happening right here at Granite Bay. SADIES is back and better than ever. Our theme this year is Better Together, so dress up in anything that ends in ER. If you have a group of 5, you could go as Power Rangers, a group of 9 could be baseball players, or 2 people could be a pair of characters like Superman and Wonder Woman. This year's SADIES will literally knock your socks off because we are having students take off their shoes for the dance in preparation for the new gym floor. We will no longer be laying tarps on the ground, so we ask you to go barefoot or in a fun pair of socks. The dance is February 9th, so be sure to ask that special someone or get your group together now. Guest bids are out and are due February 7th. Hey seniors! Senior 5th quarter is February 2nd and tickets go on sale Wednesday, January 31st through Friday, February 2nd at school for $10 or $15 at the game. Come watch your friends get hypnotized and create lasting memories as the class of 2018. Until next time, I'm Alyssa Sewell, and I'll send it back to Malia and Sydney for more announcements.
Thanks, Alyssa. Sounds like a lot of fun.
CSF applications are now available for courses taken fall of 2017. Applications are available in room 923, the office, and on the school website. Bring your latest Aries grade printout, a completed application, and $10 to Mr. Handling in room 923. Deadline is Thursday, February 1st, 2018.
A special note to seniors. 4 terms of membership are required, with 1 term from senior year to be a lifetime member and to qualify for scholarships. This term is the first using senior grades. There will be also a special March sign-up for seniors who may need 1 more term to qualify.
Seniors, the State Seal of Biliteracy applications are now available. Applications are due March 16th, 2018. Also, the new 2018-2019 FAFSA is now open. To begin your application, go to fafsa.ed.gov. Check Naviance for more scholarship opportunities. There are various scholarships and deadlines, so be sure to check in now and again. Now, let's look back on last week's sports.
Our varsity girls basketball team won against Folsom last Tuesday, ending the game at Folsom 67, GB 43. Their next games will be tomorrow against Wood Creek, freshmen at home at 5:30, and JV at Wood Creek at 7.
Also on Tuesday, our varsity boys basketball team faced the Bulldogs with a final score of Folsom 66, GB 50. Their next game is scheduled for Friday at Oak Ridge at 7:30.
Last Thursday, our varsity boys soccer team won against Oak Ridge 2-0. Great job, boys. Tomorrow, they'll be playing at Wood Creek at 4.
On Friday, GB varsity boys basketball went up against Nevada Union, with our boys winning 63-42.
Their next game will be tomorrow against Wood Creek, JV at 3 at home and varsity at Wood Creek at 4.
Tonight, our wrestling team will be hosting Rockland and Nevada Union. Come out to support your fellow Grizzlies.
We'd also like to wish a happy birthday to these Grizzlies.
As for the weather, we can expect a chilly week, with today being a high of 55 degrees.
If you are looking at enrolling at Sierra College, a Sierra College enrollment specialist will be on campus in the Wellness Center on Mondays from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Also, an admission representative from the Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising will be at GBHS on January 30th at 11 a.m. in the College and Career Center. Sign up on Naviance or in the College and Career Center.
Why Out of State is an event where you will explore college options outside of California. Learn about scholarship and financial opportunities available to California students, meet college admissions counselors, and more.
It will be held on February 8th at OAKMONT High School from 6 to 8 p.m. This event is open to all high school students in the Roseville Joint Union High School District, although it is best suited for current sophomores and juniors.
Registration is available for workshops to help prepare for both the SAT and the ACT. They will be offered during the spring term, both on and off of campus. For more information, go to the GBHS homepage, choose College and Career Center from the quick links, and click on SAT/ACT Prep.
We asked students what their favorite classes are this semester. Let's see what they had to say.
I like PE. I don't have to study, so.
My favorite new class is McLean because he's really funny.
My favorite new class is English because it's fun. My favorite new class would probably be TAing for Mrs. Walker because she's a really sweet teacher and it's just an easy class to have right now. My favorite new class is math because I really enjoy my teacher, Mr. Sherman.
My favorite new class is Photo 1 because I already know photography.
My favorite new class is dance.
My favorite new class is definitely piano. It helped me be exposed to something different. I got to learn a new instrument. It was very cool.
My favorite class this semester is having 4th off, and we just go to lunch and stuff, so it's just, I don't know, it's
Good.
It's fun.
My favorite new class is English because all my friends are in the class.
Today's People of GBHS highlight is senior David Goney. Our GBHS Drama Department will be participating in the 2018 Linnea Festival on February 2nd and 3rd at Folsom Lake College. This festival will feature student-produced work such as monologues, musical theater, one-acts, and more.
Also, they will be performing their Linnea Festival works on campus on January 31st. Stay tuned for more details. All boys interested in GB tennis tryouts should attend an informational meeting during Collab on Wednesday, January 31st at 8 a.m. in Coach Dixon's room 817.
The Steps to College 2018 University Fair will be held on February 3rd from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Consulate General of Mexico office. The STC provides a one-stop educational event for students interested in pursuing career training beyond high school.
The fair features more than 50 colleges and universities, one-on-one assistance in applying for financial aid, college and immigration advising, all in a bilingual setting for members of the whole family. To register for this event, go to stepstocollegesat.org.
The Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery Exam is a multiple-choice test administered by the United States Military Entrance Processing Command, used to determine qualification for enlistment in the U.S. Armed Forces. The ASVAB will be administered at GBHS on January 31st. Please sign up in the College and Career Center by Friday, January 26th.
Well, that's all we have for you today, Grizzlies. Until next time, I'm Malia Zabalos.
And I'm Sydney Page.
Have a great day, Granite Bay.
And go Grizzlies!